Rob here from the Flanagan Homestead. If you've been watching my channel, you saw me buying sheep recently. And because I have had and still have so many sheep and goats, I'm going to need to haul them back and forth. And a few videos ago, I made a hauler in the back of my pickup, and I'm using the ladder rack here to create I cut panels and everything, and it took a significant amount of time. It was pretty good, but the corners didn't match up perfectly, and I had to work around stuff. And I went to haul my animals to the Christmas tree farm for the petting zoo, and I could not find those panels. I still have no idea where they're at. So I've already taken the animals and brought them back at the time of showing this. So I was like, what am I going to do? I got to get the animals there tomorrow. And I had a roll of cyclone fence laying there, and this was so easy to put up, and it took so much less time, and I'm going to take it down and it's going to store away so much easier. But I just rolled this out inside the truck and then took old baling twine and tied the top corner and the tie downs there. It's one continuous fencing. It has enough rigidity that it holds up strong. Nothing got in and out of here. In this little space I had, what did I have? Five goats and one lamb. Okay, and then when I got here, I did have some panels that I just swung across and tied off right here. We just wove some baling twine on that side to create a hinge, and then tied this off. The animals went in here quite easily, and this was built in no time. And now I'm going to take it down. On our way to setting up for the first day of sales, we've got 4 goats and a sheep here for the petting zoo. Simply cyclone fencing in the ladder rack, creating the cage. All right, let's take it apart. Hopefully it comes apart as easily as it went up. Let's get the baling twine pins out of here. Get this first panel out. Oh, that baling twine, I want to give it up. Out. And we're all down. That's about what it took to put it up. This was too easy. They say necessity is the mother of invention, and I needed something done and all the panels were gone. I still don't know what happened to my other panels, but this is a better setup than what I spent all that time on. And so I think it's 4 foot by 12 foot roll of cyclone fencing and this one panel for the gate. If you have a longer roll of cyclone fencing, you could probably do the whole truck and make that the gate as well, and you wouldn't even need this panel. But this is just something I had laying around. It worked amazingly well. Thanks for joining me on the Flanagan Homestead, where Christmas trees are my business, teaching and cleaning horticulture is my job, and outdoor projects are my passion. Hope to see you again soon. Be blessed, everyone.